Gang, welcome back to our channel. So today is Mother's Day, or whenever y'all watch it. This video was for Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, all the new mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day. You know, we do matter. Keep your head up, and we got this. Cause motherhood is hard. Like, I literally just had a situation with CJ. See, I had to take off his door. I had to do it. Like, you know, I'm not gonna get into it much in this video, but if y'all want me to do a parenting while the other parents deploy video, let me know down in the comments. But I will say this, I could do it. I'm strong. I could do it, but mothers shouldn't be left alone with their sons. That's all I gotta say. But if y'all want a advice video on how to parent by yourself, just let me know and I will do that. But I'm gonna get into the title of this video because I don't know if I'm going to be able to open them tomorrow, because I want to make it home by 5 o'clock and watch The Last Dance, because y'all know I am a Bulls fan, and yeah, I want to watch it. So I'm going to get everything done before, I think it's 5 o'clock. Yeah, 5 o'clock. So, and I may or may not record tomorrow. So I'm just doing this video ahead of time. So I'm saying tomorrow. I'm filming this Saturday. But happy Mother. But still, it's still saying happy Mother's Day. So I have some gifts that Chris sent me. He said I'm missing one of them. I secretly know what it is. It's jewelry. So follow my Instagram down below. When it comes, you guys will see it. So first, let's get the gift from the kids. Unique! Bring your Mother's Day gift. I know what two of the things are, but I closed my eyes when we was in Walmart, and I told her to pick me out something I can use when I drink. To pick me one. So I don't know what color it is, nothing. So we're gonna see how her tastes are.
1 hour later.
Over here on this side. Say hi. Huh? Look at the camera. So y'all know this is Unique. So let's see what she got me. A balloon, some flowers, put that there. So is this the cup you picked out?
Yeah.
Let's see how it looks. It's pretty. So I can use this to drink?
Yeah.
Drink what?
I don't know.
What mommy drink? What's the adult drinks called?
Alcohol.
You gonna pick me some alcohol?
Yes.
Okay, give me a hug. What you say? What's tomorrow?
Huh?
What's tomorrow? Mother's Day?
You're
not gonna tell me? Or you gonna tell me tomorrow?
I want to do it.
Tell me.
Mother's Day tomorrow.
Okay, go play the game till you go to bed.
I
like it, y'all. This came from Walmart. Tell y'all, Walmart. This could be a Starbucks cup. It was $3. If I remember correctly, that's why I told her to pick it out. So, yeah. Don't sleep on Walmart like I always tell y'all. So which one should I go first? So I know what this one is. I don't know what the other two are. So let's see. Ooh, y'all. That girl got a holster. Y'all see it on my Instagram. I am a proud owner of a firearm now, and I have a holster I can wear when I wear my jeans. So yeah, and it's a nice gun too. I got the photo on Instagram if you want to see all the pictures. So this is from your address. This is from Victoria's Secret. I kind of knew what it was because how it was shaped. He getting me all these little date night bags. He better be planning dates. But this is cute. This is cute. It's small. It comes with a chain. Is that big? No, it's not how big. It's an extra strap in there. It's cute. So this is the last one. Like I said, he had another one with a piece of jewelry, but it's not coming on time due to the virus. And this is from Fenty. What's this? What is this? Y'all be watch on TikTok just randomly say some stuff. I don't know what this is. It's pretty. It's pretty. I don't know what it is. Eyeshadow. Did not know what this is. It's eyeshadow. You know I love eyeshadow. That's like the only makeup I could do right now. But I'm gonna keep practicing. So he have me some eyeshadow to go with my collection. So yeah, that's my little gift. It's not all that fancy, but you know, the thought that counts and all that jazz. Oh, I did buy something else. It ain't came yet. Y'all see? That's the Mother's Day gift to myself. And hold on. I got that pair. And oh, another gift to myself. When my other put that to the side. When my other gifts come, my other shoes come, let me know if y'all want me to do a sneaker haul down in the comments, because since February I have bought and ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs of shoes. It's getting a little obsessive, y'all. I don't know, but yeah, so that is my Mother's Day gifts for this 2020. I will try to record tomorrow because we're going sightseeing around Alaska and just taking pictures, and I have to figure out what I want to eat. Which one, y'all? Aloha Barbecue Grill. It's like Hawaiian food, or hot wings, or what the kids want, McDonald's. So I don't know. I want either hot wings or Hawaiian food. So hot wings or Hawaiian food, let me know down below. But yeah, I'm not gonna make this video longer than it has to. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, everything, bye.